What's up guys, Josh back. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today we're going to be working on just a few things, just cleaning up like the weather stripping and stuff. Finally got one of the sides in stock. So this weather retainer, you can see how kind of beat up and just ugly that looks. The rest of the body looks so nice, but that is just looking pretty sad. And got these ordered from Nissan of Tacoma. The other one's on back order for the driver's side, but the passenger one is here. And got it for only like 240 bucks. And if you look at those online, they're as much as 600 bucks, if not more, if you order them from Japan. Also going to be replacing this weather strip here. So you can see it's kind of, just gonna get close in on that. It's kind of dry. So if I ever did drive in the rain, I don't want it leaking at all. And those are right here. So let's get those in box. This is the part number for the weather strip seal. And then this is the part number for the retainer, for the window molding retainer. So let's open those up, take the old ones out, put the new ones in. So real nice and brand new. Nice flexible rubber weather stripping. And then this is that notorious part on all these GTRs. It just looks like crap, so it's nice to have that brand new. Was originally thinking I'd try to restore the one I had on there, and I tried on the other side to like prime it, fill it with Bondo, and paint it. But every time I tried repainting over this, I was getting like some type of reaction. The paint just wouldn't turn out. So I figured while they're making new ones with the Heritage program from NISMO, that might as well get them. There's just a few things that hold these on. So a few secure points here, as well as up front, and then that rubber piece pulls right out. So we'll go ahead and do that. One thing that's nice with these new weather strip seals is they come with all the plastic pins and clips and stuff you need to reinstall, so don't worry about damaging the one that's on the car when you remove it, because the replacement ones are on there. Stripping off, there's just a few screws along that window retainer that holds that thing in. So I'll zip those off and then we'll be good to clean everything up. Get ready for a reinstall. Alright, so that's what it looks like after everything's taken off. And you can see these areas are a little dirty, so I'm going to take this time to clean all that dirt and stuff off of the paint under there and get that all cleaned up. And then right along the edges, kind of a little bit of buildup, so I'm going to get that all wiped down and probably polish it. Get that paint super clear and clean again. Let me get my camera to focus on it. There we go. So get that all cleaned up. Alright, so that's that channel all cleaned out. Get all the dirt off of there. And then this little, the camera will pick it up, there's like a little tiny bit of buildup for where the trim kind of rested against the body. So I've got that all kind of cleaned down. And what I did on the other side is just used a speed drill and some polish. And it was able to take that out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next. And get all that out, and then we'll work on the reassembly. So I'm just using a little Meguiar's polish and putting that onto my drill. Ran out of juice, I had to move up to a quartered one. Next, I'm just going to throw a little carnauba wax over those areas that I polished just to get a little protectant on them. Let that cure, and then I'll buff it off. It's dry, I can buff that off. So now you guys can see that that edge of buildup is now perfectly clean and clear. So when I make the retainer and everything up, I won't see any like grime or anything between the body of the car and that piece. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Looks nice. Other little area I'm going to work on is right on the edge of the glass there where that retainer, the window retainer sits. I don't know if I can pick it up, but it's like a fine line that goes all the way along this. So I don't want to see any grime there, kind of like on the body, so I'm going to use a little Scotch-Brite and get that cleaned up as well. Slip the retainer in. There's this little nub right here. You got to kind of slip the window retainer into that and seat it into there and then get it ready to be mounted on. So we'll go ahead and do that. This has all like the nice foam and everything, just like original. So just as good as new, just like when it came from the factory. Well, that's it. The job is all done. So it looks super nice, super clean, brand new. Huge improvement over the worn out crappy one. Fits nice and good against the body. No remnants or any leftover crap after that was all polished out and clean on the body. So that's it with the window up. Everything looks nice. Everything looks like it's going to be nice and sealed, so if I ever have to drive in the rain, which I don't plan on to, but if I do, no rain's coming in. Turned out good. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And like always, see you tomorrow. See you next time.